Next, most of the times, what happened is 99% of the times, the problem is not with the mistake. The problem is the way it is communicated is the problem. The way it is communicated is the problem. Remember this one. The problem is not the mistake. The way how it is got communicated to us, how we received that is the bigger problem. For no reason also, the people are going to find through magnifier, they are going to check, and then they start living the people. Now, everything is going to be happen in our life because of people's only. Remember that. Love the people. Show interest on the people. Okay. So make them as your best friends. Okay, like make them as the best friends. Because people only, the right person is the shortcut for your success, man. Remember that carefully. Okay. Suppose I'm the person. I'm the one who for you. Hurry, every day by spending 1 hour, 1.5 hour, how much benefit you are getting from these sessions?
A lot of change.
Yes, friend. How much benefit you are getting from these sessions? Yeah. So from a person only you are getting the benefit, right? From a person only you are getting the benefit, right? Like
Yes,
that, in your life, if Durgas are like 4 or 5 members are there, can you please imagine how your life will be?
now I am realizing, sir.
Okay. So that's why always spend with the people. Spend the time with the people, like them, respect their interests, respect their self-respect, respect their dignity, protect their self-respect, protect their dignity. Then the total world is always with you. Instead of that, we are always ego. Why I got bad? Something like that. Such a type of things don't. Simplicity is the best ornament. Simplicity is the best ornament. In front of you, I'm zero. Like if you are going to give importance for them, then obviously everyone is always with you, man. If you have ego, if you are seeing, if you are always trying to identify the mistakes, okay, it's always a bigger problem.